S'mores.
Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride.
Okay. This one is going to do a bullseye, remember?
Bullseye.
A bullseye. Or we could do an off-center bullseye, like right above the heart. Wouldn't that be cool?
You want.
Wouldn't that be cool, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
Got a little bit of fluff in our rubber bands up here.
As always, gotta have a little bit of fluff in your bands. Uh-oh. Lost a band.
They're getting a little old.
Band down, band down.
They can only last so long, Dad.
Yeah, we reuse them until they break, typically. I try not to be wasteful.
We've only ever bought one bag of rubber bands since we started this whole thing, so it's been like a year and a half on one bag of rubber bands, and we still got some more in the bag, so.
Quite a few more in the bag, actually.
Just throw it in the bag. Okay.
You go?
One more at the tip.
One more.
At the tip.
Gotta bend the tip.
Okay, let's
To
go.
the dyeing rack.
Boop. Okay, so
Look at that beautiful specimen.
we're gonna go from light to dark. So we got golden yellow.
Golden yellow.
Yeah, golden yellow on the tip. And then we'll do some orange.
A little bit of deep orange.
Then we'll do hot pink.
Hot pink.
And then some maroon.
Maroon.
Maroon. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Got thick.
Dad, I might need the scissors.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Here we go.
I would say that's a sodium alginate maroon. Go for the good maroon. The one that's manageable.
And some deep purple.
Deep purple. Smoke.
Yeah. She's a thick girl.
Oh yeah. It's deep purple for you.
Let's put a little bit of black on the hand. Why not?
Why not? Better black?
Yeah.
Yep. So, on this one we have golden yellow, deep orange, better black, hot pink, deep purple, and dragon fruit.
So golden
No, wait,
yellow.
maroon. Yeah. Golden yellow, deep orange, hot pink, maroon, deep purple, and better black.
There you go. Hot pink. And maroon.
Bit of a lavender. Or sorry, deep purple. I don't know why I keep calling it lavender. Deep purple. And some of that good old better black. Look at that. To the drying rack.
To the drying rack. He's gonna go on the middle shelf.
Middle shelf. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.